Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick video today. Totally un-racing related today. We are fixing the brother-in-law's cooling fan on his little Mini. So let's have a look, shall we? So I've kind of already started, so I just thought I wasn't going to bother doing a video, but then I thought, you know what, why not? Because we're an iconic little car, these, aren't they? So what's happened is someone had a silly moment and they've left a rag round here somewhere. The fan's got caught up in it, which is obviously driven off the water pump here and shattered the impellers. So got the new fan in there. So all it is basically held on with 4 bolts. You can see, hopefully you can kind of see down there. So what we've done so far, remove this bracket which goes bolts onto here and at the top 2. There's 2 bolts either side the fan shroud to give the radiator a little bit of movement so that we can get a spanner down there. I was going to try and take the fan shroud out, but it feels like it's obviously I can't see any bolts at the bottom. I mean, I might be wrong, I've never worked on a Mini before, I'll be honest, so it feels like that might be actually more structural. So I'm just kind of going to leave it in there, give a long spanner, take these 4 bolts off, and then get the new one out, get it bolted back up, button it back up, and then a presto. So what I'll do, I'll rig the camera up and kind of do a bit of a time lapse one, just showing the awkward bolts, because it's some people told me it was radiator out, but I don't think it's going to be. It's going to be awkward, but not impossible with the radiator and everything in. So without further ado, I'll get the camera rigged up and let you watch. So one broken fan on the floor. That was the easy bit, because obviously the new one, if we come back in here, has the blades on, so it is obviously substantially bigger. So the trick now is going to be getting that back on without taking the radiator off, because it's not a massive gap in there. What I'm going to do first, you can just see evidence of rag that's been left, so we'll give everything a clean up, because as well as that there's also bits of old fan and stuff like that, so we'll give it all a clean up when we can get in, pull all the old debris out and everything, and then I'll do that off camera, and then we'll get back onto getting it sorted again. Other phone, I've got just the Bernie's V8. Unfortunately we couldn't make it this weekend, some other commitments, but just done the qualifying. So Stewart Bob on pole, my main competitor in the Class GB, Matt Smith, there got it on first, but times are a little bit slower than they were last year, but you never know, it's only qualifying, isn't it? So keeping an eye on the boys this weekend. But yeah, so far so good. Quick update guys, it's on, just got the bolts, can't really see in there, but the bolts are still to nip. They're kind of probably 3/4 in, but it took me longer than I care to admit to get this far. What a bastard. But yeah, proof that you can indeed change the water pump driven fan without removing the radiator, because it will, without a shadow of a doubt, get nipped up, taut to spec, without taking this radiator out. So yeah, just sort of give you a quick update, rather than kind of watching it. It's basically awkward as hell putting 4 bolts back in, but you know, this is when you need really skinny hands to get into the gap. So although I've got the radiator loose, you can pull it there. I can't get a ratchet in, I haven't got a ratchet small enough to do anything, so just kind of nipping them as like a little bit on each one, and then to get it to taut them properly, I'll probably do what I can, turn the engine half of the rotation and do the other ones, and then putting this back up, and fingers crossed she's done. Well, what a bastard of a job, but as you can see she's running. There's no nasty noises, it's not catching anywhere. This has been yeah, the previous owner of the car's made that fit, shall we say, but hey ho. but no, it's done. So what the remnants of excuse all of the tools. It was a bit of a bastard getting to some of them bolts, but yeah, so that's what leaving a rag in the fan or on the engine bay somewhere does to your water pump van. So main thing is it's done. Happy days. So as I said guys, just a bit of a short one this one. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't yet done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. As you can see, we're doing some different bits and bobs of things now as well, so yeah, if you don't mind, it means a lot. Please subscribe, give it a like, give it a share, comment on anything else you'd like to see, comment on anything you think is wrong, and see you in the next one. Cheers guys.